Young blocker, guys. Oh, guys. Kanti uNkulunkulu unavailable. My face. Manini, uNkulunkulu makulahla ukulahla kanti every day and every second in. Kanti uNkulunkulu awusathane lo. Young block. Young decliner.
So guys, I'm out here trying to one of the things we do. I don't know. Baths. Okay. Oh, why for me cishe ngishibet. Things we do, guys. But hey. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ndimaswabi. If you've been part of the channel, thank you so much. So I'm trying to starting a new vlog. I'm out here at Endless. I love them here. I'm just here for a drink and then I have a date. So the dates, oh fuck, the guy that I'm supposed to have a date with he's in a relationship. So we're supposed to meet at 5. Now it's 7, but I'm waiting for him. Hey, my guys, my face. Because I don't know what's this, but okay, I'm here waiting for him. I'm going to post because madoda abantu as a shout sibe crashes more. But okay, I'm at my favorite place. That's what matters. Agapuzi. I'm having a glass of wine. But ngimjongile because I really think ukuthi usemngqondweni yabo. So that's usemngqondweni, but I might be wrong, yabo. So, but okay, what I'm gonna do is that I am just gonna chill, play nice, and just see ukuthi into yakhe. Don't you guys think I look cute? Yeah, I think I look cute. Okay, let's go to the ladies. Let's go to the ladies and check our face. If the face is declining, then we must check it, guys. Is it warm outside? No, it's a bit chilly. Okay, it's fine. I think I'm gonna end up sitting there. Come to the kitchen, bed.
There's nothing
wrong. Okay, I'm gonna sit there.
Hello, I'm going to tell you.
Kathi ngiyaropa ngelilanga afa nginomlomo. Yabona uyaropa uthela kancane futhi. Yafa nginomlomo ngangifuna nibhodlela lo.
So, I hope you guys see me. Kadingile ngisho ke anginayo ngisho appetite as you know why. Sengimfonela uguy engihlangana naye. Uthi mfethu yazi sevela wafika umuntu le ndlini so ngizoba lapho ngabo past 7. Isikhatsini manje 18:55. So it's almost 7 but besimele sihlangane ngo-5. So ngihleli ngedwa lana ngiyaphuza ngcobe lipstick ngifake inkophe ngifake makeup bese ngifakela umahala mina ngiyahlanyela ekhanda ngidom phela mina ngoba manje ngiyadidiza ngihleli. So yeah, I don't know guys. A bit of me is hating. A bit of me is like, okay, it's a weekend, it's Friday. What did we expect? 2, ayekho 10 hecho. 3, uguy vele usengqondo as I did say ukuthi I don't know ukuthi ufuna ini yaba ngiyazi you know, but I'm not gonna mention ukuthi in but obviously I'm not a priority. So njengoba yona priority angingafiki lokho kumina as a surprise ukuthi why am I not a priority. 2, something happened today at the office. hayi chilile afike ngingazi umngane with the boys from where my office is situated, where we share space with the other boys. So okay, let's just say the other one who's his friends sake saba nesituation yenyana naye yabo, but abantu mhlawumbe yamaviki into engalastanga, but I think me and him we're very civil, no guy, so we still work together. Not like we work together, we both own the building, so sonke say this building, so now it's my office now office like. So guy lo saying this and normally come, that's why I actually know him. Ngoba ubeza ku ex. Hey man, ex so the ex umuntu mhlambe najola even imali. Bangaphuma nje ke ngibhedela. So uyayazi situationship yami no guy, kodwa ke yiko ngithi mina lo because mhlampe khona into ayidinga, which I know. Other day he asked me to borrow him 300,000. I did. Wayibuyisa shame, I'm not gonna lie. He did. Wayibuyisa kahle ne-interest sharp. Phindwa boleka enye 250 ine-interest wayibuyisa kodwa kushoda u-30. So no 30k wami anzi manje nabantu manje ungigoqela 30k wami andibukane ngenzeleni ngekayithole. So ke yami. So I don't know guys, ngihleli la manje ngindo umuntu othi past 7 uzofika ngalo past 7. You know what, uNkulunkulu usebenza emfihlakalweni, because bengifuna ukuswenka gqoka ingubo asenhliziyo yami man, no, just you know, as vele ugqoka into uyigqokile and that's it. Akaze ngikhathela ufuna uqamba amanga, I'm exhausted and I'm simply here because of him. So now I've got another 30 minutes to wait and see if he's coming. So now how ngisihamba kancane isikhathi sihamba kancane kanje ngosilinde indoda yomuntu kade ku 8:15 anobe so 8:15 uze sokuphela 2 minutes. Bese ngithi uNkulunkulu ayikho nosathana ngiphela sebenza overtime. Yabona nje impela esiyiphilayo. Impela esiyiphilayo bazali bethu bathi besikholisa. Bebengazophila le impilo nje. I doubt. Uthi uzolinde nje amadoda esingabazi. Kuhlale nje 2 hours ulinde nje into ongayazi. Hayi man. Bazali bese basikhulisela ngalokho. Hayi. Abanye nje ndikhombisa nje ukulehla idlozi. Ngeke ngitshela ngimuhle nje ngine lipstick yasemeg nendo umfana othi usahle ansini ay. Ngicakekile mase ngicekekile ke manje. I'm not happy. But ke I guess I'm gonna come back guys and see if he comes. So let's wait for 30 minutes. Baby, oletha ama-eyes emfethu awuyeke loo nto ngiphatha kabuhlungu nawe. Hey cha. Ayini umfana nithi khona usushonile lana yamazini befake wena. Ewe, nithi awumazi ufika usanda kufika nje bebhuka waquleka. So guys, ugaya akafiki namanje. And look at the time. Okay, shoot like I said, it's fine. Okay, cool. Nje kodwa lethe class kodwa mongabe nje wazi. Ngicela ungwama nje isikhatsini manje. Isikhatsini kuye ngoba 2 hours lo. Lethe class yokugcina lungisa umbese. I said I was gonna come back at 7:30. Angithi so guys, I'm 7:30. Xa ningibuke manje isikhatsini mapha mangami. It's like a shower 8, man. So he's not coming. He's not calling me. He's not telling me what happened. He's not saying to me whether he's running late, whatever the fuck it is. But I could hear that usendlini and it's a weekend. I'm assuming ukuthi because of it was so kind of failure. Who are those people? You could have said friends, let's just go because it's not far, you know, it's right here. Yeah, at this stage. Again, I'm feeling right. Kodwa ke. Ew, sengizofuna. Sengizobhekana nami. Let me get a takeaway, a drive-through. Because we can look at it, it's not nice. Kodwa bengithanda i-cake. Ukubona uphatheka kabuhlungu ufuna i-cake. No, it's fine. I'm gonna take a drive-through. So I'm gonna finish my wine and head home. But as soon as I finish with you guys here, I'm gonna call him and find out. So I'm gonna give him until 8. There he comes. There he gets his ass here. Hey, I feel so long up on phone. So most junction can go. Let's let it on as you are. Inhliziyo ibuhlungu, inhliziyo incane. Mase ngifanele le ex yami labazwana naye ngithi baby ukuphi akuna nje ngoba manje isimo sami asikho right. Ukuphi? Mase ngifanele lo guys. Okay, let's call my ex. Let's see if he picks up. But I doubt I think I know him. Okay, loudspeaker. Do you guys hear it? How? Nice? But it's ringing. Ha, unavailable. Young blocker, guys. How, guys? Can't go. Unavailable. My face. Manini, unkulunkulu melahla kanti every day and every second in. Can you go? How Satan alone? Young block. Young decliner. Uguy uyang decline ngiyafona yang decline lo munye akafiki. Unkulunkulu ndlosela ukulahla. At once noma hayi manini masiqale phansi. Kodwa Jesu Christ. Kanti ngenzeni how? Okay, asame ukugcina. Manini. Na earring. Aw. Yani. Kanti uNkulunkulu masekulahla ukulahla. Discuss nabanye uNkulunkulu. Hey, phela ngihlale la ngedwa. Ngigajwa indoda from u5 kuze kushaya u8. Ithi ngifanele i-ex or whatever ngingabambi phone. Lo munye othi uyangithanda current usasuka eDandi. Bangaki eDandi ke njengoba sila. How many hours? Is it not 4 hours? So njengoba u8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Something is spitting the water here. Hayi ngenza ukuthi asiyivale le vlog. Ngicabanga ukuthi akukho okuningi engizokusho. Mhlambe ke kusasa ngoba sengijose vele ugcine ngafika. Mhlambe ngizonitshela when I'm driving home ngithi now I'm on my way home because yini engisazokhuluma nani nginyanyile kwanina nginyanyile nje ngicekile ngephela ngilehla amadoda awuthula isikhathi kwanina nje nangidini ayi man kanti yarongam I ngibuka sisizwe ngibuka nje ngibuka ngafa ngeke not 2. Okay, fuck. In fact 3 because uDandu out. Hayi yazi.